last type of formula, that is our exercise 7.7. Only three sums are there. So here you have to integrate px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c type of integration. So for this type of integration, what you have to do? So here, if our I is px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx is there. So here we can replace this integrand as a px plus q equal to a into d by dx of this square root, which is ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Done. What you have to do? You have to replace this bracket px plus q as a into d by dx of this square root plus b. So here we are getting px plus q equal to a into differentiation of this ax square plus bx plus c is 2ax plus b plus capital B. Done. Simplify this and compare the coefficients. So it's a px plus q equal to, this will be 2a capital X plus this will be a small b plus capital B. So compare the coefficients and replace that term px plus q with this a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Done. How to apply this formula? For that, three sums are there. Question number 12, 13 and 14. That is our exercise 7.7. So now, question number 12. Integration I is x into square root of x plus x square dx. What you have to do? You have to write this bracket in terms of this ax square plus bx plus c by using this formula. So here we have to write our x. We have to write our x as our x is a into d by dx of this square root term, which is x plus x square bracket over plus b. So this one is a into differentiation of this x plus x square. Differentiation of x is 1 plus 2x plus b. Done. Simplify this. So this one is x equal to a plus 2ax plus b. Compare the coefficient. Here coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of x is 2a. And therefore we can write 2a equal to 1. 2a equal to 1. And therefore a equal to 1 by 2. And this a plus b, compare this a plus b with this left hand side, so which is constant term, so it is 0. Therefore we can write b equal to minus a, and therefore b equal to a is minus 1 by 2. So value of b is minus 1 by 2. Put these values of a and b in this equation. What is this? This is the replacement over x. Done. So now our integration I is integration x, or x is a, and what is the value of a? 1 by 2. So a is 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2x plus b is minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 dx. Done. Open this bracket and separate this integration. So we are getting I equal to 1 by 2 constant. It's an integration of, है ना, ये तो लिखा, बाद में ये लिखना रह गया, इनटू, है ना, ये तो हमने x को रिप्लेस किया इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, ये हमारा पूरा x है, और मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आएगा स्क्वायर रूट. सो हियर this term into x plus x square dx. Now separate this integration. So it's a 1 by 2 constant, 1 plus 2x, और ये पूरा ब्रैकेट है, उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा ये स्क्वायर रूट x plus x square. Done. This is one integration dx. माइनस 1/2 1/2 और ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा स्क्वायर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर dx. Done. So now consider this one as a integration I1 and this one as a integration I2. So what is our integration I1? So I1 is 1/2 integration of 1 plus 2x into square root of x plus x square dx. For the integration of this one, we'll consider this term x plus x square as a t. So let x plus x square equal to t. So we are getting, after differentiation on both sides, 1 plus 2x dx equal to dt. So integration I1 is 1/2 integration 1 plus 2x dx, which is equal to dt, and this one is square root of t dt, and this one integration is 1/2 t raised to 3/2 upon 3/2 plus c1. For integration I1 we are using c1, so this will 2 cut. So integration I1 is t is x plus x square, so it's x plus x square raised to 3/2 plus c1. This is the value of I1. For integration I is sum of I1 and I2. I2 is minus 1/2, है ना? So now we are considering this I2 as this term. So now I2 is integration of 1/2. It's a square root of x plus x square dx, है ना? इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो हमें आता है. This is first term, middle term, last term is missing. So here coefficient is 1 divided by 2. Take it square. So it's a 1/4. We have to add 1/4 and subtract 1/4 to make it complete square. So this one is 1/2 integration of x square plus x plus 1/4 minus 1/4 dx. So this is equal to integration of square root x square plus 1/4, which is x plus 1/2 whole square minus 1/4, which is 1/2 whole square dx. So this is our formula, x square minus a square, square root of x square minus a square. Integration is 1/2. Now this one is x by 2, so it's x plus 1/2 plus 1/2. So 1/2 x plus 1/2 and x by 2 into square root of given term. So it's x plus x square minus, no, minus is minus a square. A square is a square by 2, so it's a 1/4/2, so it's a 1/8. A square log mod x, our x is x plus 1/2 plus given bracket x square plus x plus c2. For this is I2, we are using constant c2. So our I2 is 1/2. This one is 2x plus 1/4, 2x plus 1/4 square root of x plus x square minus 1/8 log mod. This one is 2x plus 1/2 plus square root of x square plus x plus c2. Then this is our I2. Now for your final answer, you have to write this I equal to this I1 minus I2. No, minus sign is there. So this is I2 and this is I1, and you have to write your final answer. Clear, students? Hello, Rusiraj. Okay. सेम सम क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है ना. पूरी एक्सरसाइज में टोटल 3 सम दिए हैं. इसमें से कोई एक सपोज एग्जाम में आ सकता है ना, क्योंकि यही सम ऐसे है कि जो छोड़ देंगे आप. 13. So here question number 13, you have to find integration I as square root of integration of x plus 1 into square root of 2x square plus 3 dx, है ना. which form is there? Px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c form is there. What you have to do? You have to write this x plus 1 है ना, x plus 1 को separate करेंगे. So x plus 1 is nothing but the a into d by dx of which term square root में है वो, which is 2x square plus 3 plus b. So this one is x plus 1 equal to a into this one is 4x plus b. So this one is x plus 1 equal to 4ax plus b. Compare on both sides. So coefficient of x is 1. So 4a equal to 1, and therefore we are getting a equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to 1. Done? So now this is our replacement. X plus 1 will be replaced by this term in this equation. So now our integration I is x plus 1. X plus 1 is replaced with this result. A into 4x plus b. Our a is 1 by 4. So it's a 1 by 4. 4x plus b is 1. So this is our x. X into this square root. Square root is 2x square plus 3 and its integration dx. Clear? Now separate this integration. These are the two terms multiplied. So this one is taking 1 by 4 as a constant. So it's an integration of 4x, 1 by 4 constant, 4x into this square root. 4x into square root of 2x square plus 3 dx plus integration of 1 into this square root, which is 2x square plus 3 dx. Done? So this is our integration I, which is now divided into two integrations, I1 and I2. So now you have to find this I1 and I2 separately. So what is our I1? So now our I1 is 1 by 4 integration of 4x into square root of 2x square plus 3 dx. Done? So here we can take this 2x square plus 3 into equal to t, that is equal to 4x dx equal to dt. So I1 equal to 1 by 4. Now what is 4x dx? 4x dx is dt and this one is root t dt. So it's a t raised to 1 by 2. So integration is t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c1. So integration I1 is 2 न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा, 3 डिनोमीटर में अगेन कट होगा, तो इट्स 1 by 6 t, और t is 2x square plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus c1. This is our I1. Now our I2 is integration of square root of 2x square plus 3 dx, है ना. ये x square के कोफिशिएंट में कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, तो 2 को निकालना पड़ेगा. We have to take this 2 as a common. So if you are taking this 2 as a common, it will comes out from this square root as a square root of 2. So square root 2 is the common term. So remaining terms are x square plus, this will be 3 by 2 dx. So this x square plus 3 by 2 can be written as root 2 integration square root of, this one is x square and this 3 by 2 is nothing but the root 3 upon root 2 square dx. So this is x square plus a square formula, and square root of x square plus a square formula. So integration I2 is root 2 constant as it is x by 2 into given square root, which is 2x square plus 3 plus a square by 2, so it's a 3 by 4 log x plus given square root 2x square plus 3 plus c2. So our I2 is x upon root 2 2x square plus 3 plus this will be 3 upon 2 root 2 log mod x plus 2x square plus 3 plus c2. This is our I2. Done. And last, you have to write your final answer as a I. So what is our I? I will be I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. इसका दोनों को एडिशन करके लिखना है. That is your final answer. 1/6 2x square plus 3 raised to 3/2 plus x upon root 2 square root of 2x square plus 3 plus 3 upon 2 root 2 log mod x plus 2x square plus 3 plus c1 plus c2 as a c, where c equal to c1 plus c2 is your final answer. Dear students, last sum, question number 14. So here we are given integration I equal to x plus 3 square root of 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. Again we have to write this x plus 3 as a a into d by dx of square root 3 minus 4x minus x square plus b. So this one is x plus 3 equal to a differentiation 3 minus 4x minus x square, which is minus 4 minus 2x minus 2x plus b. This will be your equation number 1. Now find the value of this a and b. So x plus 3 is minus 4a minus 2ax plus b. Compare the coefficients of this x. Coefficient of x is minus 2a and here coefficient of x is 1. So it's a minus 2a equal to 1. So it's a minus 2a equal to 1. So a equal to minus 1 by 2. And second, it is constant term, which is b minus 4a equal to 3. b minus 4a equal to 3. So this one is b minus 4a. A is minus 1 by 2 equal to 3. Minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 and this will be b equal to 1. b equal to 1. So replace this value of this a and b in our equation number 1. So that will be replacement of our x plus 3 in this equation I. So our x plus 3 is nothing but the enough a is minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2x plus b is 1. So we are replacing our x plus 3 with this given term. Done. So our integration I is, so now our integration I is, बस इतना ही नहीं आता, बाकी सब आपको आता है. x plus 3 is minus 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2x plus 1 है ना, ये x plus 3 हुआ into this entire square root 3 minus 4x minus x square into dx. सेपरेट करके लिखें. So this is I. और I is, दोनों को सेपरेट करके लिखे तो क्या होगा, minus 1 by 2 integration minus 4 minus 2x into square root of 3 minus 4x minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 integration of this 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. Done. So now this is our integration I2 and this one is our integration I1. So finding this integration I1 and I2 separately. So first I am writing this I1. So I1 is minus 1 by 2. So I1 is minus 1 by 2 integration of minus 4 minus 2x into square root of 3 minus 4x minus x square dx. Simple. What you have to do? Taking 3 minus 4x minus x square equal to t, and therefore we are getting minus 4 minus 2x minus 4 minus 2x dx equal to dt. So now our integration I1 is minus 1 by 2 constant. Now this integration minus 4 minus 2x dx is dt, and this one is square root of t, square root of t dt. इसका इंटीग्रेशन कई बार किया, so it's minus 1 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2 का इंटीग्रेशन t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus constant c1 for I1. Replace the value of t, and these 2 will go into numerator, so 2 cut, so it's a minus 1 by 3 t. Our t is this one, 3 minus 4x minus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus c1. This is our integration I1. Integration I1 done. Now we have to find integration I2. For integration I2 is, I2 क्या था, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of 3 minus 4x माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर डी एक्स. आप ये माइनस 1 by 2 को लास्ट में भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, लास्ट साथ में भी रख सकते हैं, है ना. तो अभी इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या करते हैं बोलो, माइनस 1 by 2 इंटीग्रेशन स्क्वायर रूट माइनस 4 को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना, माइनस 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करें, माइनस 2 आएगा, उसका स्क्वायर 4. सो 4 को ऐड करना है, 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, सो इट्स 3 प्लस 4 माइनस 4 मेकअप किया minus 4x minus x square dx. Now taking these two terms combinedly, minus sign common, 3 plus 4 is 7. So it's a minus 1 by 2 integration square root of, this one is 7 minus, taking minus common, it's a x square plus 4x plus 4 dx. So now this is our formula. It's a integration of 7 को लिखेंगे root 7 square minus, this one is x plus 2 square dx. Which formula is there? A square minus x square, है ना. A square minus x square क्या होता है, x by 2. It's a minus 1 by 2 into x by 2. So it's a x plus 2 by 2. X by 2 into given square root, which is 3 minus 4x minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is 7. So it's a 7 by 2. A square minus x square. So it's a sine inverse x by a. It's a x plus 2 by a root 7. Root 7 plus constant c2. Done. So our I2 is minus 1. So it's a minus sign x plus 2. No, minus को आगे ही रखो. X plus 2 by 4 square root of 3 minus 4x minus x square plus 7 by 4 sine inverse x plus 2 by root 7 plus c2 by 2. Then this is our I2, and then you have to write your final answer as a I equal to I1 plus I2. This is our I1 and this is our I2. Done, students.